What's going on, guys? Nick here at Exotic Motorsports in Oklahoma, and today we're going to do a quick visual condition report starting with the front right. You do have a couple chips right there, little one here and there, and a couple there. Those are a little bit larger. The rest of that looks amazing. A little bit of corrosion on the wheel, but otherwise really clean. That chrome looks good. Got a couple small rock chips here on the A-pillar. This is kind of peeling back just a little bit. I'm looking at this door panel. Got a small chip right there and a few on the door edge. And a couple down here. Have a little bit larger one right there. Overall, these are all really minor. That wheel looks good, just a little bit of corrosion. Looking at the front end, you're gonna have a few chips every once in a while, a couple imperfections in the paint. Got a few chips there. Some gashes on the plastic. Overall though, this front end looks really good. And then here on the front left, got a couple small chips. Overall that wheel looks good. Like I said, a little bit of corrosion, very similar to all four of them. A couple imperfections in there. Some larger pieces here missing, a couple chips on the edge, a few little ones down there. Got one here. Overall, this thing is really clean. That roof looks good. And then here on the back left, a couple imperfections, a little bit of corrosion on the bumper, the chrome there. You do have some chips and little imperfections in the paint here. A couple little scuffs and scratches, just your everyday wear. And then you have a large section here that was damaged. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker and it looks really good. This wood grain looks nice. Switches all look good. Lower section's nice and clean. And looking at the weather stripping, it is chewed up right here and a little bit there. So you can see that's kind of exposed. These seats, they look amazing. Super soft, very clean. The housing around the seatbelt buckle, this like kind of plastic, has chipped up a little bit. It's separating. Couple imperfections on the steering wheel. Otherwise, this looks really good. Got the dash mat protecting the top of the dash here. All of this looks good. Here on the back left door panel, got a couple chips on the wood there. Other than that, that panel looks good. Kick plate area is nice and clean. The seat back looks awesome. And of course, these seats look amazing as well. Here on this door panel, that looks really, really good. You're gonna have a couple scuffs on the kick plate, and these seats look phenomenal. You can tell it's nice and soft. I don't see any rips or tears. They look amazing. All of this looks perfect. Glove box looks good. Really, really clean. Back right door panel looks amazing. All of this wood looks really good. Handle's nice and clean. Kick plate area looks good. Seat back looks awesome. And these seats are really clean. I don't see any rips or tears. Looking at the leather here, nice and clean, very little wear. Seats look awesome. And then they do, of course, fold down, so you'll have a nice flat cargo area.